Kung may clothing business ka and feeling mo hindi ka na nag-grow, watch this video. So I recently saw a post inside our community sa Page Business Network where one of our members asked 7 years na daw yung business nila and feeling nila hindi na nagle-level up. Now, una, congratulations kasi umabot ka ng 7 years sa pagnenegosyo. Ibig sabihin, very clear yung demand for your products. So it's not a product problem. It's more of a marketing problem. I'll give some advice that you can try para mag-grow ulit yung business mo. Una, you have to shift from virality to community. Viral posts are better. Pero right now, mas nagme-make sense na if you actually build a loyal audience na babalik-balik at bibili ng products mo. So what you can do is you have to collect data from your audience that you can actually tap them, nurture them, and of course, build a loyal community. Number 2, content with story. Hindi yung mga OOTD lang. So, dapat mag-focus na tayo on high-value contents. Contents that has story. So, right now, yung mga influencers, lalo na na-mention ni member, no, na nagpapadala siya sa mga vloggers, pero hindi naman pinopromote yung actual product niya or di man lang mention yung brand niya sa mga videos nila. And they're paying a lot of money for those influencers and vloggers. So, what you can do right now, mag-tap kayo ng mga micro-influencers or mga micro-content creators who are actually giving a lot of attention to details for your brand. Mas magkakaroon ng good engagement kasi mas relative yung stories na ginagawa nila, mas authentic din yung binibigay nilang feedback for your brands. So right now, mas nauuso na ngayon yung micro-content creators. So hindi kailangang sikat para itap nyo, no? Pangatlo, distribution matters. You have to distribute well saan nyo ilalagay yung mga products ninyo. Ngayon, very meta pa yung TikTok Reels, pero we should be able to actually maximize yung mga platforms out there, especially for e-commerce. Lagay natin sa Shopee, sa Lazada, sa TikTok Shop. And right now, I'm not sure no if available na sa Philippines, pero sa YouTube, pwede na rin tayong mag-order. So let's take leverage on the platforms available for our product to be able to sell out. And lastly, you can try running ads. Una, organic reach right now is highly saturated. I'm not saying na hindi nag-work ang organic marketing. It's highly working. Pero of course, if you would want to stand up from competition, you can invest amount of money for running ads for your business. Kasi it will really target our target audience and retarget our previous customers. Mas maganda pa rin na mag-invest tayo to paid advertising. So bottom line, stop chasing virality. Virality today doesn't convert that much. So let's focus on building a loyal audience and a strong brand presence. Hope this helps.